You probably used AI about 100 times today, and you never even noticed. No, I'm not talking about robots or some distant sci-fi future. I'm talking about your phone, right now. It's running AI in the background of literally everything you do. Let's break down 4 examples you're using constantly. First, your For You page. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Snapchat, that feed isn't random. It's a powerful AI watching every single second you pause, every video you rewatch, and every post you skip. It then rebuilds your feed in real time, learning to predict what you'll want to see next, sometimes before you even know it yourself. Second, Netflix. It's not just about what shows it recommends. Have you ever noticed the thumbnail for a movie looks different on your account than on a friend's? That's an AI testing and selecting the exact image it thinks you personally are most likely to click on. It's personalized down to the pixel. Third, just unlocking your phone. When you use your face, an AI is instantly mapping over 30,000 invisible points on your face and comparing that complex data to what's stored on your device. That's sophisticated facial recognition technology, and you use it without a second thought. And fourth, your keyboard. Autocorrect and predictive text aren't just simple spell checkers anymore. They're AI systems that have learned how you type, the slang you use, your common typos, and your sentence structures, often finishing your thoughts for you. So, your social feed, the shows you watch, the security of your phone, even the way you text, all powered by AI, and that's just before breakfast. It's not coming for us, it's already here, silently shaping our digital lives in ways we're only just beginning to understand. Comment the fifth one, the one AI thing your phone does that I didn't mention. I'll pin the best answer. Send it to a friend who still thinks AI is just ChatGPT. Follow Centless Teens. We break down stuff like this every week.